New car prices just crossed $49,000. Tariffs are pushing them higher, and dealers, they're slapping on $1,400 markups on top of the sticker price you already can't afford. Meanwhile, the average used car is over $25,000, and inventory under 15 grand has shrunk to its lowest level in 5 years. So if you're shopping with $15,000 in 2026, you literally cannot afford a mistake. One bad pick could cost you $4,000 in repairs by next summer. That's why I scored every affordable sedan on the market using my 100-point system: fuel economy, value, reliability, practicality, and safety. Data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, iSeeCars, and NHTSA. No opinions, no brand bias, just numbers. 5 sedans, worst to best. Let's get into it. Number 5, the 2018 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. And I know what you're thinking. Hyundai? At number 5? That thing gets 42 miles per gallon. You're right. Fuel economy, 22 out of 25, the highest score on this entire list. 42 miles per gallon combined. Per the EPA, 39 city, 44 highway. Over 5 years of driving, that saves you over $3,200 in gas compared to the gas-only sedans on this list. iSeeCars ranks it the #1 best hybrid under 15 grand in 2026. And Practicality hits 13 out of 15. Apple CarPlay, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert. Modern tech that older Japanese rivals at this price simply don't offer. Plus, it's a proper mid-size sedan, real cabin room, not a squeezed compact. So why is it number 5? Reliability, 16 out of 25, the lowest on this list. J.D. Power scores it 78 out of 100, and the reason is simple. This generation doesn't have the multi-decade track record that the Toyotas and Hondas ahead of it have. We're still learning what happens to these powertrains at 150,000 miles. And if that hybrid battery needs replacement, that's $2,000 to $4,000, a risk we had to score against in value too. The Sonata Hybrid is the fuel economy champion, but it's not the safe bet. Here's the question that separates car number 5 from everything ahead of it. Would you rather save $3,200 on gas or risk a $4,000 battery replacement? The next 4 cars eliminate that question entirely. No hybrid battery, no unknown longevity, just proven track records. Number 4, the 2017 Mazda 6. The car you want to buy. Look at this interior. Near luxury materials, leather seats in the touring trim, steering and handling that makes you forget you spent under 15 grand. KBB owner satisfaction, 4.7 out of 5. That's not just good, that's staggering for a budget sedan. And the data backs it. Reliability, 21 out of 25. J.D. Power rates it 84 out of 100 for quality and reliability. Same score as the Honda Accord. Safety, 9 out of 10. IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, and a 5-star NHTSA rating. Both. This car protects you. Fuel economy, 17 out of 25. Combined roughly 30 miles per gallon, better than the Camry and Accord on this list, but well behind the Corolla and nowhere near the Sonata Hybrid's 42. But here's what keeps it at number 4. Value, 18 out of 25. Mazda 6 depreciation means you can grab one cheap. KBB shows a touring model around $10,750. But that same depreciation curve means resale drops faster than the Toyota or Honda ahead of it. You buy it cheaper, but you sell it cheaper too. And Practicality, 12 out of 15. Less cargo room than the mid-size sedans above it, and the back seat feels tighter than it should for a car this size. The Mazda 6 is the emotional pick. The data pick starts at number 3. From number 5 to number 4, reliability jumps 5 points. From number 4 to number 3, it jumps 3 more. The next 3 cars are in a different reliability class entirely. Number 3, the 2016 through 2018 Toyota Corolla, the unbreakable compact. Reliability, 24 out of 25. Consumer Reports gives it a perfect 5 out of 5. iSeeCars names it a longest-lasting finalist in the compact segment. This is mathematically the least likely car on this list to leave you stranded. No hybrid battery risk, no complicated powertrain, it just runs. Value, 21 out of 25. Holds resale better than the Mazda or Hyundai. Maintenance costs among the lowest in the entire compact class. Under 15 grand, the Corolla is the safest place to park your cash. Fuel economy, 18 out of 25. Roughly 30 to 33 miles per gallon combined. Solid for a gas compact, but not hybrid territory. And safety, 9 out of 10. 5-star NHTSA rating with strong IIHS scores. This car protects you and your wallet. but 2 categories keep it from climbing higher. Practicality, 10 out of 15. It's a compact, less cabin room than the mid-size sedans ahead of it. The interior is functional, not comfortable, and it's not fast at all. If you're commuting 30 minutes a day solo, the Corolla is perfect. If you're hauling a family or road tripping, the next 2 cars give you more of everything that matters. If these scores are helping you narrow down your pick, hit subscribe. I'm ranking every major vehicle segment with this same 100-point system. SUVs, trucks, hybrids, EVs, all coming. And if you want the SUV version of this list under $15,000, you're going to want to be here when it drops. Number 2, the 2014 through 2016 Honda Accord. The quality benchmark. Same total score as the Corolla, 82 out of 100. But this 82 is built differently. The Corolla earns its score through reliability and low cost. The Accord earns it through overall quality at a mid-size price. Value, 22 out of 25, the second highest on this list. iSeeCars gives it a quality rating of 8.7 out of 10, the highest in the entire mid-size segment. And that's not a website score. KBB owners report Accord still running strong past 200,000 miles in 2026. Real-world proof. Plus, resale holds better than the Mazda or Hyundai, so your investment retains value longer. Reliability, 23 out of 25. J.D. Power rates the 2016 Accord at 83 out of 100 for quality and reliability. Consumer Reports flags green ratings, their highest mark, across both engine and transmission. No red flags, no yellow flags. Green across the board. Practicality, 13 out of 15. More cabin room than the Corolla. A mid-size interior that actually feels like a mid-size car. Not squeezed, not compromised. Every mechanic knows this engine. Parts are everywhere. This is the car you buy when you need space and dependability. Fuel economy, 16 out of 25. Roughly 27 to 34 miles per gallon combined, depending on engine choice. Good for a mid-size gas sedan, but not reaching the Corolla's 33 or the Sonata Hybrid's 42. Safety, 8 out of 10. Strong NHTSA ratings, but as a 2014 to 2016 model, it doesn't carry the latest IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus designation that newer cars on this list earned. The Accord is the I need everything to work well pick. But there's one car that beats it in the 2 categories that matter most to a budget buyer in 2026. 82 versus 86. 4 points. And those 4 points come from exactly 2 categories: value and reliability. The 2 categories that matter most when you're spending under 15 grand in a shrinking market. Let me show you why the Camry pulls ahead. Number 1, the 2015 through 2017 Toyota Camry, the 2026 gold standard. And this isn't close. Reliability, 25 out of 25. Perfect score. J.D. Power rates the 2015 Camry at 90 out of 100 for quality and reliability, the highest on this entire list. Consumer Reports calls this generation the most trouble-free Camry ever built, and iSeeCars data shows the highest percentage of Camrys reaching 200,000 miles of any mid-size sedan on the road. Not one of the highest, the highest. Value, 24 out of 25. Lowest cost of ownership in the mid-size class. And here's a number most people never see. Camrys under $15,000 sell 11 days faster than the market average. Demand is high, supply is moving. The market has already validated this car with its wallet. Practicality, 14 out of 15. Spacious mid-size cabin, comfortable ride, parts are everywhere. Every mechanic in America knows how to work on a Camry. It's the most practical car on this list to own, maintain, and live with every day. Safety, 9 out of 10. 5-star NHTSA rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. Both, not one or the other, both. Now, fuel economy, 14 out of 25, the lowest MPG score on this list. The gas Camry manages 25 to 28 MPG combined. That's worse than the Mazda 6's 30 and the Corolla's 33. But here's what matters. The Camry wins overall despite having the worst fuel economy. Because when a car scores 24 in value and 25 in reliability, those categories carry more total weight than saving 4 or 5 miles per gallon. Over 5 years, the fuel difference between a Camry and a Corolla is roughly $800. But the reliability and resale advantage the Camry gives you, that's thousands in avoided repairs and retained value. 86 out of 100. The Camry isn't the car you want, it's the car the math tells you to buy. And in 2026, with tariffs, markups, and shrinking inventory, the math is all that matters. 5 sedans under $15,000, ranked worst to best by the numbers. The 2026 used market is unforgiving, but these 5 cars give you the best odds of winning. Now, if a sedan just isn't big enough for your crew, you need to check out my previous deep dive on the 5 best 3-row SUVs under $20,000. That video covers the heavy hitters like the Honda Pilot and the Hyundai Santa Fe, legendary haulers that still fit a sensible budget. You can click that link right here on the screen. And for those of you who need the ultimate affordability play, stay tuned. I'm currently finishing the data crunch for a brand new 2026 guide to the best SUVs under $15,000. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that drop. Hit the like button if this data helped you out today, and drop a comment below. Are you taking the fuel-sipping Sonata Hybrid or the bulletproof Camry? I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.